Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got a very different unboxing for you because it's not something that I've purchased. So, long story for this one. Well, not so long I suppose, but back in April, Chloe Rose, I will pop a link to her channel, she unboxed the Jazza Customise It art box. It is over $200 in value. She unboxed it on her channel and then said that she wanted to give a box away to somebody, and so she ran a little competition and you'll never guess who won. So I was super excited to have been chosen as the winner for this competition. Being creative and crafty is what keeps my brain happy, and so having yet another kit to delve into will definitely help that. So I'm going to waste no more time. I'm going to get in and have a look at this box. So it's a biggie. Right, sharp pointy thing. It is in fact an official sharp pointy thing from Nerdy Craft. Let's get into this. So I have obviously seen Chloe's unboxing of this, and I can remember Jazza promoting it, but here we go. This is the box itself. I'm going to have to tip it out of here. So this comes, as you can see here, this is a collaboration with Muse Kits, much like the other large art boxes that I've done before. So, okay, let's get inside. So yeah, just I am so grateful to Chloe for running the competition in the first place, and then for me winning. Oh, come on, open. Oh, you need muscles to get into this. Okay, so I love all the detail that goes into these, like the little boxes with the little characters on, and it says awesome. And so this whole kit is designed around the idea of being able to decorate on things that aren't just paper. So we've got, oh, lovely guide book. That is, okay, yeah. That is very cool. We've got tips in there on sort of graffiti style writing and how to turn a regular word into something very fancy indeed. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, so we've got the booklet. We have got a set of branded brushes. Very nice. What have we got here? Oh, yes. So, as I was saying, the whole point of the kit is to decorate things that aren't paper. So here we've got some little, I think I knew them as tech decks, and like tiny little finger skateboards. So this is very cool. So we've got those to decorate. We've got pop sockets. Gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is that 8 in there? 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, so 8 pop sockets. Definitely gonna be putting a new pop socket on my phone. This was, the way that the competition was run was you had to say what you would most like to decorate, and this was my item that I said I would most like to decorate, which was the infinity square. So yeah, so this is a fidget cube, infinity cube, and what I'm hoping I can figure out is a way that every time you make it a cube, you will get a slightly different picture, but that it would still work as a picture. It's a very nice one. I like that. I have this is the Nerdy Crafter one that came in her fidget box that she did a little while ago. This is a little heavier, I think, this one, and it's got sharper edges. This one has curves. So yeah, that's interesting that this one's curvy. I guess there must be a way at some point to get it so that all the curves are on the outside. That is something that I will be fiddling with for a long time. I'm going to put it down, otherwise we won't get anything else done. So, okay, Infinity Cube. We have also got pin badge backs. We've got clear varnish. Apply varnish to protect paint on metal, plastic, ceramic and other hard surfaces. We've got gesso primer, which is fab because I don't have any and I needed some, so now I've got some, which is bro. We've got the long straw. I wonder if that goes with this. Let's have a look. Maybe. So this is a metal drinking reusable water cup. So I wonder if the straw is for that. Although I'd say no, looking at the way that closes. Not for that. Interesting. Keep looking at things. So what are we going to be used to decorating? These are acrylic paint pens. So we've got a neon set here with green, yellow, orange and pink. This is not a brand that I've used before. What is the brand that I've got? I can't remember. Hold on. Let's have a look. This is the brand that I have because it was cheaper than, you know, the sort of more leading brands. So it'd be nice to try these. So this is your basic colours. You only need one. We've got yellow, cherry, dark blue, rich green, white and black. Okay, and these are matte and opaque, suitable for almost all surfaces. And then we've got the pastel set, which rose pink, pastel lilac, pastel blue, mistletoe, grey and white. So the mistletoe is that green. Interesting. Very nice. These ones are chunkier. Those are 1.5 to 3 millimeters. Those are 1.5 to 3 millimeters. These ones are skinnier. They are 1.5 millimeter. This is a lovely bamboo storage case for a set of bamboo glasses. So, oh, there you go. There's me. Hello. Yeah, so very cool. I like the colour on those. Really, really cool. And yeah, I don't know that I'd keep them stored in that, but I mean that would. My immediate thought is that would make a really good pen pot. So, and of course, you can not only decorate the glasses, but the pot that they're coming in as well. So we've got that. We've got a notebook, sketchbook. Let's have a look. Is it going to be lined? Is it going to be No, so it's plain all the way through, but it's nice quality sketching paper. It's not thin. That's going to take marker pens and stuff really nicely. What have we got here? So this is pencil case. Maybe. It's got toe beans. Look at those. Those are adorable. And it's got ears. So yeah, little pencil case there. So cute. I like that. Yeah, I love that it's got little toe beans. And then, this is what goes with the pin badges. This is your shrink plastic, which if you've been around on the channel for a while, you will have seen that I've played with shrink plastic before. So very cool. I'm very excited. So let's just, so yeah, there's such a lot of fun things to go through, and obviously you can go through anything else you want as well. So let's just have a little look through the book as well, see if there's anything I missed or some fact I didn't give you. So we've got black and white pens, pastel pens. That's those and those. That's in one set there. That's why that was confusing. And then those ones there, and then we've got the gesso and the varnish. There we go. I was having trouble picking. So, how to use the pens, how to keep pens clean. Okay, using the pens like watercolours. Wow, I wouldn't have thought of that because you don't think of that with a paint pen. So, does it show any other suggestions for the other items? Here we go. So, yeah, preparing your surfaces with gesso before you start. Protecting areas like on the glasses with tape before you begin. It's very cool. You can trace these and use them for shrink plastic. Very cool. Okay. So, yeah, I honestly just want to say a massive thank you to Chloe Rose, because although this is Jazza's kit, I wouldn't have a copy of this. I wouldn't have this if it wasn't for her generosity. So I am super excited. I will, of course, do another video using all this stuff, maybe in a live. If you'd like to see a live of me playing with these bits and pieces, let me know down below. You know how these things work. Do all the YouTubey stuff. If you've not watched any of Chloe's videos, what have you been doing with your life? Pop on over there and check out her channel. Let her know that I sent you, and the same with Jazza as well. Go show him some love. Yeah, the art community needs to stick together and promote each other as much as possible. So I'm going to leave this here. I will pop details for how to get the Customise It kit if you're quick. I'm not sure how many is still available, but if you want to grab a copy, I will pop links to that down below as well, so that you can grab yourself a copy. But as I say, you are getting so much value in here. There's such a lot to play with, and yeah, I can't wait to get started. So thank you for watching. The biggest thanks to Chloe Rose. I hadn't stopped grinning, and I still just can't quite believe that I was a winner. So yeah, thank you to everybody for watching. Do leave a like, share with a friend, do all the YouTubey stuff, and yeah, let me know what you want to see me work on first. And until next time, stay crafty.